Look, one and the other phone. Look, I can. Wow, this is so cool. Like, man, what in the world? What in the world? Can you really see my face? 1, 2, 3 heads. I need 2 heads. Oh, why? It's 2 heads. No, it's 3 heads.
Dapat i-video mo ko yan kung mag-Roblox ka para marunong.
Why is my sister always do that there? That's right here. Wait. So wait. Man, I'm so bored. We're going to McDonald's. I mean KFC. You haven't tasted those things? Dude, KFC. Man, go there. Not me. I'm doing my vlog. Okay guys, check this.
Chloe smile.
Lilag ko my lips.
Masakit mamaya. 31.
Oh my. Sino yung see that? Man, I'm stuck in this hotel. Okay guys, that's all for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hey. I hope you guys enjoyed. So leave a like and subscribe, and I'll do the part 2 later if we get out of this hotel. See, we're at the hotel. It's the hotel where I have the room, and that's all. Bye.